Hey everyone! So in this video, I'll be doing my 19th session of at-home microneedling using this tool, which is the Banisher 2.0. So I'm just disinfecting it, and then I applied or exfoliate my face first using the Banish pumpkin enzyme mask. So I will just wait for 10 minutes before rinsing it off or washing it with water. And then after that, I'll start with my micro needling. So I'll be right back. All right, so here I done washing my face. So this is how my skin looks. So as you can see, the hyperpigmentation is more lighter. Yeah, it will turn 2 months on February 7 from my previous PCA chemical peel using 50% solution. Alright, so I will now start with the procedure. So you just have to, stamp the tool on your skin. And then lift it up and then rotate 90 degrees, and then press, and then you just have to do it 3 to 5 times, or press it on your skin 3 to 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's easy to use, and it's also safe compared to other microneedling tools, especially if you will do it at home. So I will just finish the rest off cam, and then I'll be right back. All right, everyone, so I'm done with the procedure. So this is how my skin looks. So there, let me show you. All right, so yes, so the next step is I'll be applying or using the Aftercare products, of course, from Banish. So I'll be using the Banish Serum Vitamin C and E first. We'll just apply it using my fingers. Actually, as per the Clara Bicibello, you just have to tap or dab or push your, what do you call this, your fingers or your hands when applying the Aftercare products after any acne scars treatment, for the skin to be not irritated, or for the products to be absorbed better, or for better absorption. All right, and then next I will apply the Banish Vitamin C cream. Alright, that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!